Happy birthday to you. And that is from all of us here. Happy birthday. Guys, so it's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. Yeah, so guys, it's the weekend and we're beginning our weekend vlog. Alright guys, this is the settings for the night. So we got got the bath suits all ready to be packed. Simit bag pack. Shanika have our clothes ready and ting and ting. And look who's here! You don't see what? Mama? You do know your auntie, right? And we got cake. Oh my god, thanks Nashy Boo. Your cake's awesome. And guys, I'm gonna show you my clothes. So I got my bath suit. And this will go under my dress because my dress is thin. And my back is all packed. Jewelry all picked out. I'm ready. Anyways, guys, so this week is supposed to be awesome, fun, because today is Saturday. And we are going to prayer breakfast. And after that, we are going to the beach. So my hair is combed and cute. And I got on my teal looking dress, biker boots. Yeah. And we got cemetery. Hello. Hey. We are weird people. Don't be afraid. But just we be twinning. Clickies. Oh, and I have my glasses too, so we really be twinning. Hey, Sunny. He stole my chain.
Miss the chain?
Yes, it's mine. You did have your chain still. Yes, guys. So we are at Puerto Seco.
It's mine.
No, it's not.
It belongs to
Hi, guys. So we have entered Puerto Seco Beach. We have celebrity on this. Yeah. This is the vlog. Yes, Wallis. Hey guys.
Yeah. Yeah, we here. You know, Josie.
Then I have gone inside here.
And it's already happening. Oh, I want to celebrate some of here. We are at Puerto Seco. Puerto Seco.
That's so cute. It's
Who's that? Me.
Hello, people. I'm going to spread this light.
Hey guys, just checking in. So we are still at the beach. Yes, we're at Puerto Seco. I am tired. I feel sick. Yeah, but it's not a bad place. I enjoyed it so far, and I tried their food. Food is okay. So yeah, so far I'm rating the place like 8 out of 10. Yeah.
Good. So let me give you the update on the food. A taste. Wait, Shay, oh, you're getting the people them peanuts. Oh, yo, that girl is slick. I must shanika her mother.
Hmm? Alright guys, we're leaving this place. This is the bar. We left the pool behind us. The beach is over there. Bye. We're leaving. Food. You can lock up for Let's keep going.
Would you have it?
I don't know. I don't want to pause for.
Alright, so we're going to sing happy birthday again.
Alright,
After 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to Unus. Happy birthday to you.
Let's turn around now.
Happy birthday day. Watch ya. Happy birthday to you. And that is from all of us here. Happy birthday.
So we can get on.
We want a picture now. Come. Picture.
Another one. Got him. I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.